welcome back to my channel, the Pitman Shorthand in Telugu. I am your Panirani. Now we can learn advanced phrases. This is the series is going on advanced phrases. This is the another best video of advanced phrases. The word able to. These two words form many good phrases of day-to-day occurrence and are indicated by B and L strokes. B and L double consonant. Half length, half length. ఈ double consonants half length. These two double consonants will be half length. Look at the examples. First one is able to do. Able to do. Bal half length stroke and D. Able to do. Next one is able to make. Able to make. Bal half length M and K. Able to make. Able to suggest. Bal half length stroke circulars and J and stir. Able to suggest. Next one is able to think. Able to think. Bal half length form and it. Able to think. Next one is able to value. Bal half length from V and L and U diphthong, joining of U diphthong. Able to value. Next one is they may be able to think. They may be able to think. They, M, B and bal half length form and also it. They may be able to think. Next one is they may be able to suggest. They may be able to suggest. They, M, B and bal half length form circulars and J and stir loop. They may be able to suggest. Next one is to be able to. To be able to. To be and able to. To be able to think. To be and bal half length form and it. To be able to think. To be able to suggest. To be through the line, B through the line, to be Brahmalag and able to and circulars and J and stir. To be able to suggest. Next one is those who are able to. Those Gramalag, who Gramalag, are and bal to. Bal half length form, it means able to. Next one is those who are able to make. Those who are doubling form and bul and mk. I will write here. Those who are able to make. Those who are able to make. We are able to. Way and or and bul half length form. We are able to. Next one is we are able to make. We are able to make. We are able to make. Next one, which may be able to. Che, m, b and bul half length form, which may be able to. Next one is which will be able to. Which will be and able to. Which will be able to. Next one is who will be able to make. Who will be able to make. M and K. Who, upward L, B and bul half length form M and K. Who will be able to make. Next one, will be able to. Will be able to. Will and be and able to. Will be able to. Next one is will be able to do. Will be able and D. Will be able to do. Will be bul half length form and D. Will be able to do. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.